Spring sunshine warmed Little Bear Barnaby's fur as the little bear explored a quiet grove of hazel trees. Suddenly, nestled carefully at the base of a bush, Little Bear Barnaby spotted a tiny, perfect, sky-blue egg. It was a robin's egg, fallen from a nest above, but miraculously unharmed. Little Bear Barnaby had seen bird nests high in the trees, but never a beautiful egg so close up. The little blue egg felt smooth and delicate in Little Bear Barnaby's gentle paws. "Oh, this poor little egg," Little Bear Barnaby whispered, looking up at the tangled branches, trying to spot the nest. Little Bear Barnaby knew an egg needed to be kept warm and safe for a baby bird to hatch. Leaving the egg on the cold ground was not an option. But how could a little bear get this precious egg back into its nest? Little Bear Barnaby thought hard. The nest was too high to climb while carrying such a fragile egg. Just then, Mama Robin fluttered down, her chirps full of distress as she searched for her missing egg. "Mama Robin!" Little Bear Barnaby called softly. "Little Bear Barnaby found your beautiful egg." Mama Robin looked relieved but also worried, seeing her egg in a bear's paws. Little Bear Barnaby carefully placed the egg back on a soft patch of moss, showing Mama Robin it was safe. "Little Bear Barnaby wants to help put the egg back in the nest," the little bear explained. Mama Robin chirped gratefully but looked unsure how this could be done. Little Bear Barnaby looked around and spotted Squirrel Squeaky, an expert climber, gathering nuts nearby. "Squirrel Squeaky," Little Bear Barnaby called. "We need your help with this little blue egg." Squirrel Squeaky scampered over, nimble and quick. Little Bear Barnaby explained the situation. The fallen egg needed to return to the high nest. Squirrel Squeaky, with careful paws, could surely carry the egg much more safely up the tree than a clumsy little bear. Mama Robin chirped her encouragement to Squirrel Squeaky. Very, very gently, Squirrel Squeaky picked up the precious egg, holding it securely but softly. With incredible agility, Squirrel Squeaky darted up the hazel tree, navigating the branches with ease. Little Bear Barnaby and Mama Robin watched anxiously from below. Finally, Squirrel Squeaky reached the nest and carefully placed the blue egg back amongst its siblings. Mama Robin trilled a joyous song of thanks, nuzzling Squirrel Squeaky's cheek before flying up to settle on her now complete clutch of eggs. Little Bear Barnaby felt a warm glow of happiness. The little egg was safe. Squirrel Squeaky scampered back down, looking very pleased. Little Bear Barnaby learned that day about the fragility and preciousness of an egg, and how teamwork could solve even tricky problems. It felt wonderful to have helped save the little robin egg, ensuring a new life could begin. The forest was full of tiny miracles, and that little blue egg was one of them.